Okay, so Le Chatelier's principle, if you are not familiar, okay? It says that if the concentration of one or more molecules in a reaction is changed, then the system is going to try to adjust itself to reach a new equilibrium so as to balance that change. Really, in addition to concentrations, if I'm changing anything that could change the position of equilibrium, things are going to shift to try to reach a new equilibrium. But one simple way to visualize this is, so for our generic equation here, A, B, C, and D, treat it like it's sort of sitting on a seesaw or whatever, on a fulcrum. And if you were to change the amount of A's, let's say I put in more A, okay? And the concentration, this is, I don't like this, I've changed my mind. It's like if I put in more A, I would think A got heavier and it would want to go down. Like this. If A goes up, you have more on this side and it wants to roll towards B. I've suddenly decided I don't like this visual at all. Okay. It's a weird choice of visual. For me personally, I've never really thought about it. It's like the opposite of how I'd probably think about it. But the right thing to do is if you have more of a reactant, then you're going to drive the reaction forward to try to make more products to get back to the equilibrium you were at before. Alternatively, if you put in more product, you'll drive the reaction forward to try to make more drive it back towards making more reactants to get it back to where it was before. If you remove A, things will move to the left to put A back. Right? If you were to remove D, things would move to the right to put them back. So trying to decide, did things go up, did they go down, and was it a reactant or a product, right? To try to shift back to the equilibrium that you were at. So let's do this example. Okay. We have N2 plus, we have nitrogen and hydrogen making ammonia. So what effect would adding NH3 have on the equilibrium? Right? And so really all I'm asking you for is which direction the reaction wants to go, left or right, forward or backward, when I put in more NH3. To the left. Okay? I put in more NH3, things are going to go to the left. What effect is removing N2 have on equilibrium? Things move to the left. All right, these two are a little more tricky. Talk to the person next to you to decide what happens if temp goes up and what happens if pressure goes up. So which direction? Separately, independently. Don't change them both at the same time, all right? Do temp goes up, which way do things go? Pressure goes up, which way do things go?